Hello friends, when you go to anybody and tell them that you are going for SSB, the first advice most of the people give is be positive. And listening to that advice, what candidates start doing is making everything positive. Whatever you see, positive. Whatever word you get, for example, you get a word snake and you make a sentence, snake is a beautiful animal. Does this happen? Similarly, there is a situation of an accident where somebody is lying in a pool of blood and you make a story that a drama is going on. Face on, take it head on. How do you make yourself positive? It is not making other things positive, but it is making your frame of mind positive. Let me give you an example here. How being positive helps in our responses to various stimulus that we get in the form of pictures, questions or actions. On a normal Sunday, you are sitting at home doing nothing. You have about 500 rupees extra in pocket and you are in a neutral frame of mind. Three of your friends, they walk in and they tell you, यार चलो हम पिक्चर देखने जाते हैं. And you have seen that same movie just 2 days back and it was the worst movie you have ever seen. So imagine whichever is the worst movie that you have seen. Now, you have the money, you have the time and three friends whom you are meeting after a long time, they have come. What would you do? The general responses are, half of the respondents, they say that okay, we will go with the friends. ठीक है, जाके एंजॉय कर लेते हैं, दोस्त आए हैं, मूवी जाएंगे, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, देखी हुई मूवी है. 50% से नहीं, टेल देम दैट यार नहीं मैं नहीं आऊँगा बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी सीन दैट मूवी, बहुत ही घटिया है, सिर दर्द लेके आया हूँ परसों ही. So this is a neutral frame of mind where few people will go, few people may not go. Now we change the situation or the stimulus. Same situation on a Sunday, you are at home, you have 500 rupees and spare time. Same three friends come and ask you to come for a movie. Utne mein you get one SMS stating that if you go to that movie hall, buy the ticket and SMS the ticket number to so and so number, then you would be getting a prize of 5 lakhs, and it is true. Now, people who were not willing to go earlier, many of them would change their mind because now the frame of mind is positive. You have some motivation. So, all the things remain same. The stimulus is same, but the response what we give is different. People who are going will be more motivated and people who were not going will be motivated to go now. Again, we will reset the situation. Come to neutral frame of mind. You are sitting with same 500 rupees, same free time. Those three friends come back and they say, चलो हम ये मूवी देखने चलते हैं. उतने में अभी कोई प्राइस का SMS नहीं है. उतने में you get one message that one of your close friends has met with an accident and admitted to a hospital. Now, our frame of mind has changed again to the negative. Now we are worried for our friends. How many of us will go for that movie now? Let me tell you, in my experience, nobody. Just by change of our frame of mind, same stimulus, our responses change. Thus, when we go for our SSB, we must have a positive frame of mind with which whatever is the stimulus, the response is to your benefit. The response is always the best response which you could have ever given. अगर आप बीमार हो, यू आर वेरी नर्वस, पेट खराब हो गया है, ठीक है, the performance automatically deteriorates. Similarly, if you have tension of the result, what is going to happen? Will I get recommended or not? ठीक है, मेरे घर में मेरे कुत्ता बीमार पड़ा हुआ है, something, whatever. Automatically that reflects on your responses. Hence, I would advise that you must go to SSB with a positive frame of mind and automatically you will be positive. Please keep watching various videos. Click on the link to watch previous videos and if possible, join the privileged batch of AFOSOP where I would be giving personal interview sessions as well as individual interview. Thank you. Jai Hind.